Hey guys, it's Kris here with Kurls with Kris, and this week I'm back with another monthly subscription box unboxing. I am doing my BoxyCharm for January 2021. So if this is something that you're interested in and you love seeing these types of videos, please like, comment, and subscribe to videos like this so that I can keep doing them for you. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that button right here because you're not going to want to miss any videos in the future. All right, so let's jump right into it. Okay, so obviously I have the same box that they always have. I don't know why, but my boxes always come and they always look a little bit beat up, but I just chalked that up to the DC Postal Service. But I got the regular box this time. You know, I got my Boxy Luxe in December, so I don't think I get that again until March. So let's see what we got. Here is our info card, and let's get right into the first product. Okay, so let me take out all of this plastic stuff, and without that in there, this is what it looks like. Okay, so the first item that we got is the Violet Voss I Love You Forever eyeshadow palette, and I think that is such a cute play on words, obviously, because the palette is olive. And let me just see what it looks like, and you know that I will show you what it looks like in Violet Voss I Love You Forever eyeshadow palette. This palette was designed with universally flattering olives and hues that complement one another flawlessly. It's packed with the most luxe formulas and creamy mattes, mesmerizing metallics, and impactful foils. So this palette retails MSRP at $34. So this is what it looks like. They are pretty neutrally colors, and they do have a lot of shimmers. I'm definitely going to be trying out this silver. I don't know why, but I'm just drawn to it. But it looks really, really gorgeous. So I'll probably try this with this or this to make it like a neutrally silver, which is what I typically go for. I don't ever do like really flamboyant eyeshadow on my eyes. It's just me, but I do like a little color. So yeah, so that palette retails at $34. Next item that we have is from the brand Pharmacy, and I love this brand. I go look at the section all the time in Sephora. This is the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. So I'm pretty sure that as soon as I finish using my Glam Glow that I got in a previous box, this is going to be the one that I go to. This retails at $38. It's an oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight yet lasting hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. This is what the packaging looks like. It's so pretty, and just the way that it's packaged, you can tell that it's like more of a clean type of beauty. And it has moringa and papaya in it. There's no, it's paraben free, formaldehyde, donor free, synthetic, fragrance free, phthalate free, mineral free, and cruelty free. We can always get with that, cruelty free. And the next product is going to be from Avant Skincare. So the moisturizer that I have on today is from Avant Skincare, and I'm actually slowly but surely getting into really liking Avant Skincare. So this is the Avant Skincare Biphase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. And I have like 2 micellar waters already, but I've been using one more than the other, so I can probably throw that other one away and put this one in rotation. This one is infused with replenishing ingredients. Biphase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water presents an oil phase aiming to instantly dissolve resilient and waterproof makeup, and a micellar water phase working to capture impurities. Sometimes, I don't know if you guys do this, let me know in the comment section below if you do this. Sometimes when after I like wash my face and it's kind of like earlier in the evening, before bed, I will just wipe my face with a little bit of micellar water because it does get those impurities that you may have encountered. You know, sometimes you gotta take the dog out, you gotta run to your car really quick. This is something that this helps with. So this retails at $90. Mind you, this box only costs $25, so y'all do the math. So yeah, I think this is definitely going to be getting used over here. All right, so we have 2 more products left. The next product is the Seraphine Botanicals Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask. This is what the packaging looks like. I love any packaging that just looks like you just picked it off a tree. Like, this looks super cute. This boosts hydration and glow with this protective lip mask formulated with shea butter, apricot, plus jojoba and rosehip oils that work synergistically to keep lips chapped-free, soothed, and plumped all at the same time, y'all. It's made with green apple and pineapple extracts to help rid lips of unsightly dead skin cells and fine lines. This retails at $25. So let's see what the actual packaging looks like. Oh, this is cute. Just cute packaging. Can you see it? Let me know if you guys kind of use lip mask, because I feel like I've only ever used one brand of lip mask in the past, and I actually don't incorporate that into my beauty routine. So let me know when you guys do it and how often you guys do it in the comment section. All right, so the last and final product is the Queen Studio Dragon Duo. I don't even know what this is. So this is eyeliner, 2 different types of eyeliner. This is what the packaging looks like. And modern day Boss Babe approved with an inky black pigmentation and a semi-waterproof formula. Choose your look using the Dragon Duo. The Dragon Liner liquid. Use Dragon Liner liquid for smudge-proof asymmetrical wings, or Dragon Liner pencil for a softer look or smoky eye. Created for beginners, loved by pros. So I'm in the market for a new eyeliner, so I will definitely be trying this out, y'all, and I will let you know. Oh, the packaging is so pretty and different. I don't know why. It's kind of giving me Kat Von D tease, but that's just me. This is what the pencil looks like. I love an inky liner, so we'll see. We'll see what this is like. Let me just put it on my hand. Oh, very inky. All I did was one swipe, and this is what it looks like. It came out. You know, sometimes the eyeliners, you gotta like drag it along your eye for it to get it really dark. This doesn't seem to be the case with this one. And this one is definitely more for smudging, but it's very, very pigmented. That's what that looks like. All right, y'all, so this product retails at $28 for the pair. Let me know if y'all have tried it in the comment section. Like I've said before, that was the last product. I'm gonna go ahead and put all of these products back before I put them in with my normal beauty routine items. And I will see you guys in the next video.